Welcome back guys to the Art of Finesse. Today I have another review of a Boda Skin leather jacket. Now for you guys who know the channel, you've seen my review of the K. Micheals Winter Sherling. I'll leave a link if you haven't seen it, go check it out. But I completely fell in love with Boda Skins. Their brand, their quality, the fit, everything was on point. So I was looking for something more for cool nights, maybe something I can wear in the summer. Boda Skins sent me an invite for a private sale. I saw the Maverick, which is more of a cafe racer style jacket, and I ordered it. So today we'll be reviewing the Maverick. Let's flip this camera, go to the unboxing, and give you my first impressions. Alright, so unfortunately my camera wasn't recording while I was unboxing, but let's go ahead and look at these close-up pictures of the Maverick. Now you got the typical packaging, so you'll get a thank you letter from the CEO, how to maintain your leather jacket, and the package has your name on it, and a hand letter and thank you letter. Now, as you can see from these close-up pictures, typical Boda Skin quality. So the stitching is very tight. It's very there's at least 7 stitches per inch, which is considered high quality. The leather, oh my god, how soft is the leather. Now this leather is a lot softer than the K. Micheals. I don't know why. But it just feels a lot softer, and the paddings, everything looks like it's built solid. So the quality of this jacket is it's very up there, and you won't regret it. The quality of the jacket is on point. Now, well, let's go to a quick clip of me trying it on and showing you and comparing it to the K. Micheals. Alright, it's fit test time, so I'm gonna go ahead and put back the K. Micheals Winter Sherling just to give you an idea about the fit. Oh, by the way, my Cuts clothing Henley that I'm wearing right now, the short sleeve elongated, I had a lot of questions concerning this shirt. So one of the questions was how long is the elongated one. So just to give you an idea, this is how it looks. So it's up to halfway down my crotch. And the back goes mostly all the way down to the buttocks, but it gives you an idea how the elongated fits. Alright, so K. Micheals, okay, the Winter Sherlings, looks like this. Now this is a size large, and I got it large because I wanted to layer it with sweaters. Obviously you need more room, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. So as you can see, it's still a tight fit. I can close it up. Nice fit. The leather is soft, but has a different texture to it than the Maverick. But as you can see, it's very, I find this fits a lot better than the Maverick. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the Maverick. This is the Maverick in size medium. Now, it's very hard to really fit in it. Now, mind you, it's still new. The leather seems a lot softer than the K. Micheals. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because of this one there's a certain treatment because it's a winter jacket. But this, it's a lot softer. And as you can see, the fit, I'm gonna go ahead and close it. It's very tight. I get a lot of tightness in the elbows because of this pad here. There's a lot of tightness in the shoulders. But apparently this is how a leather jacket should fit. So I'm hoping it'll settle and it'll wear out, and it'll fit me a lot better. But I'm kind of worried because I want to gain about 10 pounds of lean muscle mass from now till the summer. So I'm kind of worried about the fit of this. It's already tight on me with 10 more pounds. I don't know how that's gonna work out. But overall, I love the quality of it, the feel of it. The fit could be a little bit better, but it gives you an idea how a medium fits. I'm a size about 40 chest. The jacket was supposed to be for a size 38 chest. So it gives you just an idea how a medium fit when you're ordering a Boda Skin. Their jackets are usually very tight fitting, so just keep that in mind. Alright guys, so this shows you, this gives you an idea about the fit. A medium size Boda Skin leather jacket, the Maverick that I have here. Let me know if you guys like this leather jacket. Do you like this fit on me? Does it suit me? I really would love to hear your comments, and let me know if you prefer the traditional K. Micheals, which is a beast, or something simple like a cafe racer like the Maverick here. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.